What happens when millions of fresh coconuts enter a massive factory? They don't simply become coconut water.
Every day, millions of coconuts begin a remarkable journey inside factories like this.
Before they can become sweet jelly and candy, every coconut must first be carefully received and inspected. The first step is sorting. Only suitable coconuts continue deeper into the production line. Next, the coconuts are thoroughly cleaned before processing begins.
The tough outer husk is removed, exposing the coconut for the next stage.
Now the valuable coconut water and flesh can finally be accessed. This clear liquid becomes one of the key ingredients in the coconut jelly process.
Meanwhile, the soft white coconut flesh is separated and prepared for further processing.
Inside these controlled tanks, the coconut liquid enters the carefully monitored stage that creates the foundation for coconut jelly. But this is where the real transformation begins, turning simple coconut water into the chewy jelly millions of people love. After careful processing, the coconut liquid begins taking on the texture that will eventually become chewy coconut jelly. The liquid is now shaped into large blocks, creating the base for thousands of individual jelly pieces.
Controlled cooling allows the jelly to develop its firm, elastic texture.
Once set, the giant blocks are transformed into precise strips by high-speed cutting equipment.
Another precision cut turns the strips into the familiar bite-sized coconut jelly pieces. The newly cut jelly is thoroughly washed to remove excess processing residue.
Every batch is checked for consistency before moving forward.
Now another important ingredient enters the process: a carefully prepared sweet syrup.
This is where the jelly absorbs sweetness while developing its glossy, delicious finish.
This is where the jelly absorbs sweetness while developing its glossy, delicious finish.
Now the coconut jelly enters a completely different section of the factory, where sweetness, flavor, and color transform it into candy. The candy mixture begins with precisely measured ingredients designed to create the right sweetness and texture. Controlled heat transforms the mixture into a smooth, concentrated candy base. Natural-style coconut flavoring gives the candy its unmistakable tropical character. Different batches can be given distinctive colors and flavors while maintaining the same carefully controlled texture.
Now the signature coconut jelly pieces are folded into the candy mixture.
Precision molding creates hundreds of evenly sized pieces with every production cycle.
Controlled cooling locks in the shape while giving the candy its final texture.
After cooling, the transformation is complete. The once simple coconut has become a finished sweet treat.
Before packaging, every batch passes through a final quality control stage.
From fresh coconut to jelly, and from jelly to candy, the transformation is almost complete, but the final step is still ahead.
After completing the production process, the coconut candies enter the final stage: automated packaging.
Important production and traceability information is added automatically. High-speed cameras check packaging quality and consistency in real time.
Advanced counting systems make sure every package contains the correct quantity.
The candies are now sealed into retail-ready packages.
Labels provide the final information needed before the products leave the factory.
Even in a highly automated factory, human quality control remains an important final checkpoint.
Thousands of retail packages are now prepared for transportation. Robotic systems organize the cartons into stable shipping pallets. Inside the finished goods warehouse, thousands of boxes wait for their journey to customers.
Once an order is ready, the products are loaded for distribution. The journey that started with millions of fresh coconuts now continues toward markets around the world.
From the factory, the finished products enter a much larger distribution network. After traveling through the supply chain, the final products finally reach the store. What looks like a simple sweet snack is actually the result of a complex industrial journey. From fresh fruit to chewy jelly and sweet candy, every stage transforms the coconut into something completely new. Behind every bite is a world of machinery, precision, technology, and thousands of carefully controlled steps.